In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep icons and objects fixed inside a Figma frame. Start by opening your design and making sure the element you want to control sits inside a frame. Constraints work relative to a parent frame, so the object needs to be within that frame for the rules to apply properly. To keep an object stable during resizing, select it and look to the right sidebar for the Constraints section. Here, you'll set how the object behaves both horizontally and vertically as the frame changes size. Choose left and top to pin the object to the top left corner. This is perfect for keeping a logo or menu icon exactly where you expect it. Even if the frame grows, choose center to keep an element, like a button or badge, centered as the frame expands, and choose right and bottom to anchor something to the bottom right corner, which is great for elements like a floating action button. After setting these, try resizing the parent frame to confirm the object stays put as intended. Remember, these rules define the object's relationship to its parent, not the canvas. So always test by adjusting the frame itself. Next, let's make an object stay fixed while scrolling in a prototype. Select the object you want to keep visible, then switch to the Prototype tab in the right-hand panel. Find the position control in the Scroll Behavior area and change it from Scroll with Parent to Fixed. Now, when you preview the prototype, that element will remain in place as the content scrolls behind it, ideal for sticky headers, toolbars, or persistent action buttons. A quick note: if you are working inside an auto layout frame, you can't set an object to fixed unless you first apply absolute position to that specific object. Once it's absolute, you can mark it as fixed in the Prototype tab and it will behave as expected during scrolling. Finally, to prevent accidental movement while you work, select the element and use the lock control in the Layers panel. Locking keeps the element from being dragged or shifted, so your layout stays consistent. If you need to adjust it later, simply unlock it in the same place. That's it. Thanks for watching.